Hey, hello, welcome back to Arona's channel. This channel contains of a lot of daily informations and solutions for your life. Don't miss it. At this moment, I want to share about how to stop feeling sorry for yourself. Nobody perfect. When you fail and everything you planned don't go as well you had hoped, I know surely you feel sorry for yourself. Is it natural? Yeah, of course it's natural. But when it's too often and too long, you should control it. But how to control it? Number 1. Breathing. Yeah, simply by breathing and concentrate about your mind. And simply by sitting and close your eyes, then breathe deeply through your nose. Hold it in a few seconds and let it out slowly. It will help you to think clear and bring calmness. Number 2. Gratitude every day. Many people out there do mistakes. You are not the only one. So thankful for many things you have now. Not everybody feels safe or have meals every day. So just gratitude. Number 3. Fine lesson. Life is just like a big school with many lessons. It has taught you important lessons that you should to learn in situations you are in now. Number 4. Embrace your emotions. It's okay to take in all emotions or negative thoughts, but you should set your own deadline. Don't let your emotions drive you into unexpected situations. Number 5. Be kind to someone. You can help someone that you have met every day or maybe stranger. Smile every day, say greeting to them, or simply by giving them snack or something. You will feel better when someone shows they're thankful. Number 6. Set your realistic goals. Yeah, everybody has their own goals. Set yours. Choose realistic goals. Write down into a paper. Make plans to reach them. Feel sorry to yourself is okay, but it becomes wrong when it starts consuming you too much. However, you need to step forward and start to deal with it. Open your new page of life and leave your negative feelings behind. Okay, I think it's enough. Let's discuss next time. If you like this video, please comment, like and subscribe. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video. Bye bye.